Today we are taking a quick walking tour of the 2015 Cobalt R3. She sits here at her owner's home. This boat has all the upgrades, without a doubt. Starting aft from the wakeboard platform to the wakeboard tubing, aft shower, a double set of flip-flop seats. Inside this wonderfully easy to get to engine compartment is the Volvo Penta V8 with the Ocean X drive. See how easy that was. There's storage under both of these. And the amazing thing, the wonderful thing about this 2015 model, she only has 40.4 hours on the engine. She has all the usual Cobalt upgrades, the upgraded carpet, carbon fiber feel, plenty of storage under the two forward loungers, anchor locker, and LED lights throughout. Well, this has been part one of my two-part quick walking tour of the Cobalt R3 here in Destin, Florida.